Hi guys, I really hope you all are doing well and welcome to another vlog. And today I'm gonna make myself a green smoothie after so long. I've been drinking coffee a lot, so I thought today it will be great if I can make a green smoothie today. And we really had a great weekend. We had some friends over, we cooked, we ate together, spent some time. It was amazing, and that makes me wonder, I should have vlogged it. But anyway, next time I'm gonna try that. And today it's all nice and sunny. Usually it's like all cold and dark, but today the weather is super nice. So I am thinking if we can unbox our patio furniture. We ordered it a while back and it has been sitting in the garage because it was very cold and it was raining. So let's see if I can do that today. I have to print the artwork which I shared in the last vlog, so I'll do that. And for the smoothie I will be adding some spinach. That's a lot. Green apple. Okay, and I also have this strawberries. Okay, let me add all of these because it is going bad. I have made this recipe quite a few times and every single time this comes really good, so I'm excited. Also, usually on Sundays I'll try and meal prep at least like few meals so that our week goes smooth, but this time that did not happen. I'm gonna do some meal prep. So I have some soaked tapioca, which is called as sabudana in my language, so I'm gonna prepare that. I feel like that is very easy to make and taste good every single time, so I'm gonna do that after I finish this. So I usually add almond milk to this recipe, but I don't have almond milk today. So what I'm gonna do, I'm just gonna add almonds and I'm gonna add water, and I feel like that usually works. I'm gonna be adding some chia seeds, hemp heart, little bit of flax seed. So usually I buy like whole flax seed and then blend the seed and make a powder out of it. And for sweetener you can add honey, sugar, whatever your heart desires, but I'm sticking with dates today. Just for a little bit of kick, I'm gonna be adding ginger, not this much, just a little bit. That will be a lot. This should be enough. Okay, and I got this huge pack of ginger because I like adding it in my juices, and we do make a lot of Indian food, so basically every recipe requires ginger. Comes out really good every single time. This is the soaked tapioca, and I soaked quite a lot. That's because I wanted to meal prep it yesterday, but that did not happen. So I'm gonna be making it right now, and this acts as a perfect breakfast or like snack, and it's healthier option. So here I have peanuts. I'm dry roasting it, and then I'm gonna take the peel off and blend it to make a crushed consistency. And yeah, it's pretty simple to make. I'm gonna write the detailed recipe in the description. So yeah, let me make it. Also, we are planning on finally getting a TV, so I was just testing the measurements. I just did this outline. So this brown box is of 55 inches and this blue outline is 65 inches. Let me know which one you guys like and prefer. Fun fact, we never had TV. We have been married for 7 years, 7.5 years. And the reason why I never got TV, because I moved out of my house when I was 14, and growing up my mom was super strict and never let us watch TV, so I was never used to it. And then when I moved out, I never really had access to TV, so yeah, I didn't feel the need, but right now it feels right. So yeah, I'm just testing out the measurement, and yeah, 2023 we are doing it. Earlier I was super sure that I'm gonna get 55 inches, but to me it looks a little small, so I'm thinking maybe 65 inches. Let me know your thoughts in the comments. Good morning friends. So it's the next day. Yesterday it got super dark and it was raining heavily, so we just stopped the assembly of our patio furniture, but hopefully we'll do it today. It's still like dark and gloomy right now, but hopefully it will get sunny as the day passes. And right now I'm in my office and this area is like such a mess, so I'm gonna tidy up a bit and then I have to finish few edits. What else we are going to do? Yeah, and okay, and I have to do some laundry, and also we'll go to Home Goods because I have to see some outdoor rugs and they have quite a great selection. Like I have found so many amazing pieces from there, so I'm gonna go there. So yeah, let's tidy up the space and get the edits out of the way. Yesterday we didn't assemble the furniture outside because it was getting dark and it started to rain. Okay, so let's assemble it and see how everything looks. So I'm really happy with how everything looks over there, but we do need a rug, and for that I did visit Home Goods and few other stores just to check the rugs, but nothing really spoke to me, so I just came back. I didn't get any rug, but I'll keep searching and see if I like anything and I'll get it. And also I got this spar urethane. This is supposed to protect the furniture outside, so I'm gonna do a coat of it. Not today, definitely someday when it's nice and sunny outside, because it can rain anytime. Right now this is going to protect the furniture from the UV rays and basically just increase the longevity. As per instructions, we are required to do 3 coats, so I'll do it when it's all nice and sunny outside, because the weather is super unpredictable now over here. It gets sunny, it gets raining at the same moment. I don't know what's happening, so we will see when it's sunny. Maybe in the next vlog I will do that. And also I visited Walmart and I found beautiful planters, so let me show you those as well. Okay, so I found these planters from Walmart. Look how stunning are these, and these were like super inexpensive. I'm gonna link it down in the description if you are somebody who is interested. But I got 3 of those because I have 3 little plants which is like growing out of their pot, so I have to change the pot, so that's the reason why I got it. Love how this looks. It's like ceramic, and just the texture of this one is also really nice. And this is from brand Better Homes and Gardens, and they have made so many amazing planters this time, so definitely check out the planter section in Walmart. They have so many good options. Okay, I needed few more planters, but I needed big ones, so they didn't have that, so I just grabbed these 3. Also I got this artwork printed. Oh, ye ulta hai. This is the one I found on Etsy, and this is in the size 18 by 24. This artwork is for the photo frame over there on the floating shelf. If you remember in the last vlog, we found the the photo frame from Target, and this artwork, this beautiful artwork, I found from Etsy. It has a shloka in Sanskrit which says Loka samastha sukhino bhavantu om shanti shanti shanti. That means may all beings in the world be happy, and I feel like this is such a beautiful quote. I went with this artwork because it looks beautiful, and at the same time it has a very deep and profound meaning, and I asked them to print it matte. So yeah, we're gonna place this inside the photo frame. And this is a thick paper which they printed on, but of course you can go with like cardstock paper. That is going to give you more higher quality, but I'm really happy with how this turned out. It's nice and matte. I really like it. It looks so nice. Wow. If you know, you know. So many memories. I used to drink this so much when I was little. It's basically a mango drink, and I feel like this is the best mango drink ever. I'm not saying it's healthy, but it tastes good. So, but if you aren't aware, I got this from Indian store. Check this one out if you haven't tried it. It's a very famous Indian drink. And right now I'm going to prep the dinner. I already have the pasta sauce ready. I usually meal prep it. That's the feta pasta. So basically you place a feta block and then tomatoes, onions. I also add onions, garlic, salt, pepper, olive oil, and then just bake it, and it comes out really good. So I prep that during weekends, and I feel like that comes in super handy during the busy weeknight. So I'm just gonna boil some pasta or spaghetti, whatever I'm feeling like, and then just mix it and dinner is served.
I burned out like a wandering ember. I shone bright, then my journey was over. What I sought when I ran was back where I began. No matter the rain, no matter the storm, I'm coming home. I'm coming home. Leave open the gate, don't turn off the light, I'm coming home. Well, I scratched in the dirt for a while. I gained all that I knew for a price. In the end, what I found was nowhere near as nice. No matter the rain, no matter the storm, I'm coming home. I'm coming home. Leave open the gate, don't turn off the light, I'm coming home.
Alright you guys, so I'm gonna end the vlog right here. I really hope you enjoyed watching, and I appreciate you all, and I will talk to you in my next one. Bye.
Don't turn off the light, I'm coming home. Though I fought with my claws.